Hurry, Black Donkey, shoot it! Ooh, folk, I've been waiting all day.
No! No! Why? You didn't have to do that! Alright, what is up guys, it's your boy Gamer. Today I'm going to be reacting to SML movie The Bird. Now, the reason why I'm reacting to this one, this is a throwback SML by the way, is because when I was reacting to Black Yoshi and the Birds, episode 1, this showed up. She killed the bird's mother.
Okay, I want to see some proof, folks. I want to see some proof. Show me how I killed the bird.
Okay, we got it. You know what I'm saying?
Stupid bird. Hurry, Black Donkey, shoot it. Ooh,
Oh,
folk, I've been waiting all day for this.
Oh, my friend gonna see that.
Yeah, folk, he definitely is dead. Bye-bye, little birdie. Tweety, tweet, 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 tweet.
So, I guess that means that Black Yoshi killed the bird's mom. And after this episode, maybe later tomorrow, I'll upload episode 2. I'll react to that. So, yeah. Let's just get started because I don't want to waste any time.
This thing on?
This is a long video, so I don't know if my
come on. Now,
face cam's
what
gonna
I did was, I was just mowing the grass. I was walking along, and then I found a tree, and it had an egg in it. I never noticed a tree before, but there was a nest in there, and there was an egg. And I think, not sure, but it might be a shrimpo egg. So,
no, it's not. It's not a shrimpo. Why?
Now, the egg is right here in this tree in the nest. Now, we're gonna come over here, and we're gonna touch it. I'm gonna touch it real gently. Now, I don't know what it is. So I'm gonna touch it. Oh, I touch it. Ha ha! I touch it. All right, now I want to take it.
It's not shrimpos, Woody.
But I don't know.
Why is this Woody? What's
that? What's that? Oh, it's
the bird.
I'm gonna hide right now. I'm gonna hide in this bush.
What the? There's the mother. What?
Oh, it's the Fruit Loop bird. Ah, I'm getting a good view of my binoculars. I don't even know why the Fruit Loop bird here anyway.
A Fruit Loop bird? Guys,
right,
you heard what he said, a Fruit Loop bird?
How am I gonna
Because you guys know how the Fruit Loop birds look like. Kind of. Oh. I guess I blame Woody for this too, instead of Shrek.
The trap is set. What's gonna happen is she's gonna come down here and be like, oh, what the happened to one of my eggs? And she's gonna be sitting here sniffing it. And then after that, she's gonna pick it up like so. And she's gonna step right here. And then I'm gonna pull it like that. And then after that, I'm gonna catch me a new birdie.
Probably do it like Yoshi and the Birds.
And I'm gonna have another egg so I can make me some shrimpo omelets. Shrimpo omelet. All right, gotta set this back up now. Make it all pretty. All right, there we go. Good egg. All right, let's go. All right, get down here, get my string. All right, now we're gonna sit here.
Right, the birds don't fall for that sometimes, but they don't. They're smart, of course.
Come over here.
What the?
I don't think he heard me. All right, now I've been waiting for this call right here. This one's special. All right, I'm gonna do it. Hey, toucan bird, get down here. Mr. Toucan say. Get back here! I don't think you heard me. Ah! Stupid down bird! I got your egg! It's working! Oh crap, it's working!
Oh no! Oh no, don't! No! Oh no!
Now I gotta pull it! Yeah, got him! Nah.
You didn't need to do that!
Sometimes take them on.
What is Woody thinking about the shrimpos?
I don't got supper, guys. All right, time to cook dinner.
Yeah. I can do it. Oh.
All right, we're gonna behead them, we're gonna gut them, we're gonna roast them, and we're gonna enjoy a nice feast.
Oh
right,
no! Oh no!
Beauty.
Oh
right.
No, that makes it worse. Yeah, think about it. You really want to do that? Yeah, you don't want to kill a bird. Come on. Think about it, Woody. Yeah, see.
Oh man, I can't kill this poor innocent little creature. Just
Of course.
I think I'll just keep you as a pet. That's what I'll do. Yeah, my new birdie, Mr. Skeletor.
Don't kill it. Come on.
That's what I'm gonna call you.
What's the point of killing it?
Now I'm gonna put you in Shrek's room because Mario didn't give me a nice enough room in this place. It's all fancy castle for me to be alone. So here's Shrek's room. Why don't you get right here, get some sleep, and I'll come get you for supper.
Oh no, you're not gonna get that cheesecake.
I'll see you in a few, my Skittles. Oh, cheesecake. Oh, Sarah Lip, naughty little cheesecake.
Yeah, of course Shrek was part of the video on the last on the clip.
Yes. Talk dirty to me, cheesecake.
I'll go to the bathroom.
Go ahead. Do it naughty. Oh, tell me you have chocolate, blueberry, strawberry, anything. Talk dirty. Oh, let me turn on the lights.
Woody's not gonna like
see your
this.
beautiful face. Oh.
I guess it wasn't Woody's fault then.
Oh, sorry, cheesecake. You caught me cheating. Bad little ogre. Let me finish. Oh, best cheesecake I ever had.
Why didn't Woody tell Shrek?
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, go ahead. Check it out, Black Yoshi.
This is the part. Well, no, you know me how
my PlayStation Network down because some hoes done try to hack it. Nope, not up a hill. I still own. Alright, go ahead. Alright, yeah, not up in Black Yoshi house. Not up in here, you don't. Because you want something? You want to know something? Look at my chain. Okay, go ahead. Do your chain hang low, always. Do a wobble through the floor. No, don't, because I don't want to touch no ground.
Woody would have told Black Yoshi.
What's that? Oh, no, can't be. Shrekky! Man, calm down with that cheesecake in there. Alright, then get it back, man. Call of Duty. Alright.
That is
Dude,
not cheesecake.
I told you, calm down. Cheesecake ain't that good. No, it's not.
I'm trying to see if...
Alright, gotta get focused now. You just went like 25 and 2. We gotta do better than that. Alright, so get focused now. Play some Call of Duty. Yeah. Cheesecake ain't that good, folks. Cheesecake ain't that good. Oh, I'm gonna go check on this, folks. I'm gonna set it off over there. Set it off over here.
Oh, no.
Shrekky, what is that? Oh, I don't know, Black Donkey. Maybe you can tell me. I'll just sit here trying to enjoy my cheesecake.
You call him a black donkey.
Moment to ruin. Because I see little toucan bird with Fruit Loops. And no. That's what I ate for breakfast.
Think this bird is a Fruit Loop bird?
Eat my cheesecake. And then Fruit Loop bird. You tell me what's going on, Donkey. Folks, you know I ain't bring no bird up in the crib. You know that. That's what's up. I'm gonna go pet it. Let's go pet it. I'm gonna come over here and just pet the little bird. Yeah, good bird. Oh no! Hey, Shrek, get my guy! Get my guy! Where'd you eat me? It eat me, folks! Don't worry, Black Donkey. I found your
Oh no!
Black Donkey, I've never shot one of these before.
You're actually gonna kill Black Yoshi.
Just shoot him! Ah, folks! You shot me! You shot me, folks! Alright, I hope he likes cat food. I don't know what birds eat these days.
You actually shot Black Yoshi, alright. Woody, go over there, go on.
Alright, now, let's go feed him. Oh, raise his patience. He might like them.
Don't feed him right now, come on. Stop Shrek and Black Yoshi.
Alright, we're good now. Alright, let's go feed him.
Yeah.
Oh, I hear yelling. Oh, Skittles in trouble. Let's go get him. Skittles, is everything okay? I shot Black Donkey. Skittles. Skittles. Bad Skittles! Drop it! Drop him! Oh, thank the Lord, folks! Folks, he shot me in the nose, folks! Cheesecake dude! They just bust a cap up in my nose! Skittles, you're going to time out! Bad Skittles! Well, you know this bird, folks? Yeah, I caught him earlier today. His name's Skittles. He's so colorful and bird. Don't you like him? No, folks, I don't like him. He done tried to eat me. And he made
is it a she or a he? It's supposed to be a mother, isn't it?
And then, if you don't get rid of this bird, folks, I'm gonna kill him tonight. I'm gonna bust cap. Alright, now why would you go and harm poor defenseless little Skittles? He ain't doing nothing wrong. He ain't no better. Maybe it's
play Call of Duty or whatever.
African American.
Whatever you're gonna do.
He did come from Africa, and them Africans tried to clip his wings so he wouldn't fly off anymore because he's rare. Yeah.
Just checking to see if it's still recording.
Ooh, no. You better get him out of his house before I go crazy up in this hole. Ooh, no. Ooh, no.
Mark Yoshi.
All right. You win. I'll take him somewhere else. Come on, Skittles. Yeah, folks, you better take him somewhere else, because if I catch him in this house again, he gonna be bird stew. Ooh, folks, bird stew. You okay, Black Donkey? Folks, just give me a Band-Aid. I'll be alright. I'm still bleeding all over the place. All right, I'll be right back.
Where you going?
I'm so sorry to yell at you, Skittles. I didn't mean that. All right, now I just gotta find a place to put you. Oh, the bathroom, that's perfect. All right, come in here.
No, not the bathroom.
All right, now, we're gonna come over here, and right there is where your food is. Right there,
no,
your
the
toothpaste,
Shrek's gonna go.
So you don't get beet bread.
The bird is not gonna, smell.
Can't make it 1 foot good at
all. The bird is not gonna smell.
Have fun in here.
Good over there.
I'll be back every now and then to check on you. Don't cause any more commotion.
No,
Good night,
Shrek,
Skittles.
No, Shrek, burn up.
Oh, I finally get to lay down.
Yeah, just lay down.
Oh, exhausting day.
No.
Oh, that didn't sound good.
The bird is gonna cause more problems
Use the
again.
toilet.
Because of Shrek.
Oh, donkey is gonna be a world's largest crap right here. Oh, I can't hold it.
Okay, look, there was a picture of
somebody's
Lance.
in the bathroom.
SML's
Hurry
brother.
up in there, please.
Who does the voice of Jeffy,
I got
Shrek.
a crap. I can't hold it.
Black Yoshi
Hurry
and,
up in there, I got the crap. I can't hold it. It's hurting real bad.
No, you don't.
Hurry up! I need to get in the toilet.
We're not awake.
I got the crap real bad. Hurry up! You got to be kidding me! You're a bird. You can't be pooping in there.
With a bird. Birds don't know how to poop on the toilet.
Get out! Get the crap!
Hey, you can't do that. No. Oh, you're gonna mess up his control. You're gonna mess up Black Yoshi's controlling. Is that
Yeah, folks, I still flying my green Band-Aid all day, folks. Let's go. Yeah, still flying them up. Alright, can't wait to go back and play some Call of Duty. I done paused it. I'm at the hardest part of the game. We're gonna do this right now. We're gonna do it right. No disturbances. Let's go. Let's do it. Ooh! Call of Duty. Call of Duty. Call of Duty. Call of Duty. Oh, F nah! Oh, F nah, folks. I'm gonna kill you now. Oh, folks, I got my machine.
No, don't do it.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Oh, no. Stop. Run! This person's not deserve to die. Black Yoshi's the one who's
You better fly away, you stupid bird. Go ahead.
Look at Black Yoshi.
Yeah, you better run, never come back, folks. Play my Call of Duty. You crazy people up in here.
Look at Black Yoshi.
That was the most refreshing crap I've ever taken.
Still taking a
I
crap.
think I lost 20 pounds. Oh, I'm gonna go eat from McDonald's now, yay! Yay,
No.
McDonald's, chicken nuggets, Big Mac, chicken nuggets, Big Mac.
All right, I had a long day, and can't wait to get me some rest, and then I'm gonna wake up in the morning and eat me a nice old breakfast full of shrimp and eggs and all
You at
kinds
least
of
just
other
check
yummy
on your
stuff.
bird before you fall
I'm sharing
asleep.
all the Skittles, me and my Skittles. Lay here and just take a nap with my.
You at least checked on him first or her before.
McDonald's.
McDonald's.
You know what'd be good with this? Cheesecake.
Why? Cheesecake is not lunch. It's dessert. Oh no. No. Shrek is not gonna like. See, the bird is causing problems. I see why Shrek and Black Yoshi wants to kill the bird.
Cheesecake. Oh, that little donkey, I swear to God, he never have cheesecake in his house. Alright, I'll just eat some McDonald's.
Hold on,
It's always good like that. Alright. Oh, can't wait to eat Mickey D's. Yes. Alright. Holy crap! Who ate my McDonald's? I bet it was that
stop
stupid
recording.
bird. Oh, I'm gonna kill it now.
No!
3 in the morning, just got done whooping tail on Call of Duty. My nose be feeling better. Good day right here. About to go to bed. Dream some hoes. Let's go.
No, don't dream
Black
about
donkey, I'm gonna kill that bird.
Whoop-o, what'd he do now?
He ate my McDonald's. I can't take it anymore.
Wait,
Thing in
wait,
the morning,
wait,
we're
wait.
gonna kill that bird.
Alright, folks, whatever you
Shrek
say.
is eating
You wake up in the
McDonald's
morning,
at 3 a.m.
we gonna shoot
Black
him,
Yoshi
and then he
said
gonna be
that
sleeping with the
he's
fishes like
sleeping
Osama bin Laden, folks.
Alright, Black Donkey, first thing in the morning.
Oh no!
Oh, I finally get some sleep tonight. Oh, can't wait in the morning, gonna kill that bird. Oh, I can't wait. Oh,
I'm not ready.
oh, so comfortable, can't wait. I'm gonna sleep like a baby.
Oh, I knew the bird was there.
Ah, I can't wait to kill that bird.
The next day. Oh, this is gonna be bad. Woody should wake up right now. They're sleeping. Well, today's the day. I guess it's time to see the bird. I guess it's time to see the bird go away. And the birds are gonna arrive on the first episode of Black Ocean. The birds. So no, I'm just taking the time. Still recording. I didn't know. Oh, what? Wait, what? Why are you wearing glasses?
Yeah, I'm gonna kill that bird.
Do you really want to
Who
kill?
you talking to? Talking
What's
to
the-
me?
no, an
You
animal
talking to
bird.
me? Ah! Ah!
Woody tried to kill the bird,
I know
but
you're not
no,
talking to me
it's
again.
not. That's not the right thing, guys. Don't ever kill animals. Right, they're also important too. Oh no.
Yes, this'll do.
I prefer a butter knife better than that knife.
Black donkey. Black donkey.
Well, why you waking me up, folks? What you need?
To kill the bird.
It's time, Black donkey.
Whoop-o, let me get my Glock. Or let go.
Are you literally doing this right now in the morning?
Alright,
Mario is not even awake.
Where is birdie? It's by Woody. Come on, let's go get it. Alright, Black donkey. They're over there. Alright, folks, let's go
How
get
does
it.
Woody not notice? This is not gonna go well. This is not gonna go well. Oh no. Wake up, Woody! Wake up! Oh no.
Alright, Black donkey. What we're gonna do is, you're gonna take this trash bag, and you're gonna walk up behind Skittles, and you're going to catch him in the bag. And then we're gonna shake the bag, and then we're gonna stab him, and we're gonna shoot him. Alright, folks.
Oh. Oh no, please don't, no.
Alright, folks, start staring this bag.
You don't have to do this.
Eating my cheesecake and my
You
McDonald's.
didn't have to do this. See,
This is where
see
you
now the
eat
birds are
cheesecake.
gonna, no, the birds are gonna show
Alright,
up.
folks, my turn. Let me get my Glock.
Donkey, where do you want me to put the bag at so you can shoot it?
Folks, just stay on the side of the house so nobody hears.
Okay, donkey. Stupid bird.
No.
Hey, Black donkey, shoot it.
Ooh, folks, I've been waiting all day for this.
No! No! Why? You didn't have to do that!
Yeah, folks, he definitely is dead. Bye-bye, little birdie. Tweety, tweet, tweet, tweet,
Woody's
tweet.
not gonna like
Black
this.
donkey, where are we gonna have the body?
Alright, folks, I got an idea.
Oh yeah, you gotta have the body.
God.
Good question.
Ooh, folks, I'm gonna throw him in this trash can.
Are you serious?
Ooh, folks, that bird ain't never coming back.
Ah, good riddance.
Oh, Woody's not gonna like this.
Oh,
Woody's
for
not
the
gonna like
love of God, I can't
He's
believe
probably
I
awake,
just killed the
noticing
bird.
where is the bird.
Don't forget about me,
Or Skittles.
folks. I bust cap up in that birdie.
Alright, donkey, I'm gonna go take a nap.
Alright, folks, I'm gonna play me some Call of Duty, bust cap up. Mm-hmm.
Call of Duty in the morning?
So tired. Oh. Everything's suddenly brighter. I don't know what I was wearing sunglasses.
4:55.
Anyway, oh. Yes! Oh, now I got to figure out what's on television. Oh, just got commercials, hopefully? Breaking news, okay? There has been a rare bird, parrot, I should say, that escaped from the African zoo earlier this morning. We also have had word that the zookeepers are offering a $20 million reward if you bring the bird back alive. Don't bring it back dead, and don't bring it to the news station like we had someone do earlier today. So, there's a picture of the bird to my, turn left out the line, my right over here, and if you have it, please bring it as soon as possible. Thank you.
Oh.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
$20 million?
You killed the bird for all that. Now, what until the birds come? What until the birds
Black
come?
donkey!
Hey, folks, I saw a newscast. I got the bird out of the trash can. Do you think they give us like half and half for a dead bird? Like
I think I saw someone open the door.
Like $1 million. No, donkey, it has to be alive. Alright, folks, hey, I can make it look alive. Look, I'm killing folks. Tweet. Hey, folks, would you believe it?
This is when the birds finally. Oh, yep. To be continued. Yep, on the first episode. Movie's coming soon. Did you enjoy this movie? Yeah, I did. No, actually, no. They killed the bird. That I did not enjoy that. But so yeah. Anyways, that was the whole SML movie. So I guess on the next one we'll react to episode 2 of Black Yoshi and the Birds. So yeah. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, want to drop a like, and you want to subscribe, and make sure to subscribe and share with your friends, all that stuff. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Of course, in the next video. So peace out, guys.